Pikes Peak Workforce Center is proud to help employers find the skilled talent they need, to include workforce training, federally funded internships, customized hiring events, job fairs, and skills-based hiring, always at no cost.
We are committed to creating an environment where Black excellence in business can thrive despite COVID-19 and racial injustice. This is where we become better as a community together.
The Southern Colorado Women's Chamber advocates for our small business community and empowers them to think big by providing access to experts, educational resources, and direct one-on-one support.
At Downtown Partnership this year, our efforts have redoubled in supporting our small businesses to ensure that downtown Colorado Springs continues to serve as the economic, civic, and cultural heart of our community.
Colorado Enterprise Fund, where small business comes together to grow.
Pikes Peak Community Foundation has served this region for over 90 years, working with the philanthropic community through collaborative funding opportunities that could help our nonprofit businesses address their resiliency through COVID-19 and into the future.
It is an honor to be a resident leader for the RISE Coalition, resilient, inspired, strong, and engaged. Throughout this pandemic, what we have done to support small businesses is encourage others within the community to spend and support local businesses. We have also taken part in food distribution as well as thermometer distributions. It is about bringing unity in a community and bridging the gap where there is lack.
At Exponential Impact, we're driving economic development and innovation by supporting our technology startups that create jobs.
Thanks to community partnerships, we've been able to distribute hundreds of thousands of dollars of grant relief to small businesses, artists, and gig economy workers. And on top of that, we're in the middle of building a multi-vendor marketplace called ManityMade.com.
URBBB has been hard at work providing you with objective information on businesses that you can trust that are making sure they're keeping you and your community safe. Check out bbb.org for more information on great accredited businesses.
Visit Colorado Springs along with El Paso County Public Health, the city, and the Chamber EDC have worked together all summer to make sure that we could open our tourist-related businesses with business waivers that allowed them to operate and for us to run the highest hotel occupancy in the United States.
The City of Fountain Economic Development Commission works along its business community to help with easing small business entry and spur business fulfillment in our community.
The SBDC is the leader in business development and COVID relief programs with free consulting, practical training, and business resources.
Public health appreciates the innovation and the business partnerships and working together to practice prevention measures as we go through this pandemic together. Stay resilient.
The Greater Woodland Park Chamber of Commerce is your Teller County resource to dream, build, believe, and do it together.
The U.S. Small Business Administration is the only federal agency whose primary mission is to help small businesses start, grow, expand, and recover. And SBA Colorado is proud to support entrepreneurship in the Pikes Peak region.
I'm very proud of the El Paso County team for implementing 3 initiatives that ensured our business community had access to over $15 million in grant capital to assist in economic recovery throughout the COVID-19 pandemic.
At the Colorado Springs Chamber and EDC, 65% of our members have 25 or fewer employees, and 48% have 10 or fewer employees. So we know how important small businesses are to this region. We have specific tools, resources, and programs to help small businesses recover and thrive.
Our community is made up mostly of small businesses who are incredibly busy, so they rely on our support of them and our communication to them on the issues that matter.
Do you believe
in small business?
For every $10 spent
at a local small business,
$7 stays in our community.
Buying local supports
local tax revenue,
neighborhood schools,
first responders,
community jobs,
and donations to crucial nonprofits.
Join us in supporting the heart
of our local economy,
the startups
and community icons,
the family-owned,
and the veteran-owned,
the minority-owned,
and the women-owned,
and the young entrepreneur-owned,
and the LGBTQ-owned.
Join us
in supporting
all of our small business
and social enterprises,
weathering the storm,
and beating the odds.
Dream it.
Build it.
Believe it.
Do it
together.